How to delete NLTmpMnt from Temp folder in Windows 11. Hello friends, NLTmpMnt is a huge folder in Temp folder. This is NLTmpMnt. See its size in the properties window. This is approximately 14 GB folder. You can't delete this folder normally. You need permission to perform this action. Follow the steps to delete this folder. Open command prompt as administrator. Click on search. Type cmd. Select run as administrator. Run this command from the description of this video. Copy. Paste. And enter. If the folder isn't deleted with this command, you will have to unmount the image using NTLite. Open NTLite. This is the file loaded. Right click on this and select unload. Check the box, click on OK. Now let's see if deleted. So if the command doesn't work, use NTLite software and simply unload the file and the NLTmpMnt folder will be deleted. Similarly, you can delete NLTmpMnt01 folder. What you need to do is to replace NLTmpMnt with NLTmpMnt01. In any case, if the commands doesn't work, use NTLite software and unload from here. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.